C7H8 with chlorine, with bromine, iron, zinc, HCl. What is the product obtained? What is the product obtained? C7H8 is simple to understand, toluene. Toluene is chlorinated. Then chlorinated in presence of heating or light. Then bromine with iron. Then zinc with HCl. All of you understand, I believe, the first reaction is free radical halogenation. And the second reaction is electrophilic substitution. And the final reaction is reduction. So what will be the consequence? What will be the consequence? Toluene, that is C7H8, chlorination when you do, all the hydrogen in the side chain will be replaced by chlorine and you get CCl3. Now it is electrophilic substitution, bromine will come at this position. Why? Why bromine comes at a meta position? Because of the electron withdrawing effect of CCl3. This is electron withdrawing group, a deactivating group and meta directing group. Right? We can explain by several concepts. One can be reverse hyperconjugation. So it is providing meta-directive nature and the bromine comes at a meta position and you are getting CCl3 with the bromine coming at a meta position. And now it is reduction. The side chain will be reduced and this chlorine will be replaced by hydrogen and you get meta-bromo-toluene. Answer is third choice. Hope it's clear. Next one. So the bromine comes at meta position because of the first step operation. Okay.